Hey there, folks. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a pretty heated debate that's been making waves in the political arena. It's all about the Lincoln Memorial reflecting pool and the legal drama surrounding David Hearn, the former Olympian who was accused of vandalizing it. Now, this isn't just any ordinary case, it's got the White House and the Justice Department in a tizzy. So, let's break it down and see what's going on. First things first, let's set the scene. We've got the iconic Lincoln Memorial reflecting pool, a symbol of our nation's history and beauty. Then, we've got David Hearn, an Olympian with a reputation to uphold. The story begins with federal prosecutors charging Hearn with felony destruction of government property, claiming he caused over $1,000 in damage to the sealant at the bottom of the pool. Now, this is where things get interesting. The Justice Department, after a thorough investigation, decided to dismiss the indictment without prejudice. What does that mean? Well, it means they're not giving up on the case just yet. They're citing new information that suggests the damage was caused by a botched installation by a contractor, not intentional vandalism. But here's where things get political. President Trump, in a public statement, criticized the decision, calling the damage vandalism and questioning the U.S. Attorney's judgment. He even went as far as to say, "I disagree 100% with Jeanine Pirro." Now, this sparked a whole new level of controversy. Jeanine Pirro, the U.S. Attorney, was seen carrying a box full of evidence to the White House, suggesting she had more to the story than met the eye. The D.C. Superior Court judge dismissed the case but left the door open for a potential revival. The White House and the Criminal Division were in discussions about potentially pursuing the case as a misdemeanor, which would avoid the need for a grand jury. But here's the catch: after the initial charges were dropped, 3 other defendants were also let go, accused of misdemeanors for damaging the pool. Now, this is where things get really interesting. Michael Bromwich, Hearn's attorney, is speaking out. He's questioning the Justice Department's efforts, suggesting that the case was dismissed because there was no evidence to support the charges. He argues that continuing to pursue the case is a waste of resources and that the DOJ should focus on actual criminal activity. So, what does this all mean? Well, it's a complex situation with political undertones. The White House's involvement and President Trump's public statements have added a layer of controversy. It raises questions about the Justice Department's decision-making process and the potential impact on Hearn's reputation. As viewers, we're left to ponder the true nature of the damage and whether it was indeed vandalism or something else. In my opinion, this case highlights the challenges of balancing legal proceedings with political considerations. It also underscores the importance of thorough investigations and the potential consequences when things aren't handled with the utmost care. What do you think, folks? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more thought-provoking content. Peace out.